Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue which we are facing with our Realme TV remote. So the Realme TV remote is not working, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So in order to fix it, first of all, reset your TV remote, and for that first of all remove the batteries from the remote and then press any button multiple times. This will discharge any remaining power. Then wait for 2 minutes and then reinsert the batteries back in remote. Now press and hold the home and OK button together, and also make sure to turn off your TV while doing this process. Also try after changing the remote batteries. Also make sure that there is no obstacle between the TV and the remote. You can even test whether your remote control is working properly or not, and for that turn on the smartphone camera and point to the front of the remote. Press any button on the remote while looking at the smartphone screen. You can see a light or flash coming from the remote, which means your remote is working properly. And if you can't see the light, then it means your remote is physically damaged, and in that case you have to purchase a new one. And if the remote is not paired with your TV, then first of all point the front of remote towards TV and then press home and OK button together, and you will get the notification that your remote is paired with the TV. So I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.